लेकिन अब हमें मिलियंस नहीं बिलियंस में अर्न करना है। तो अब हमें अपने वायरस के लिए एक ऐसी कंट्री चाहिए जहां करोड़ों की आबादी हो। इंडिया।
This seems to be a script of a movie and overwhelms our thinking capacity. The short clip of a movie has been already introduced to you at the advent of this video. Hello viewers, this is Yuvadiraj Soda and you're watching Myths and Realities. Was China ready with the vaccine even before the pandemic broke out? The top virologist feels so. It is an editorial from the Indian Express and I believe it should be discussed extensively in the public domain. The subsequent arguments in the editorial makes the WHO report redundant or superfluous. And I think it is accumulation of all these opinion of experts and institutions which pressurized the President of United States of America to reinvestigate the whole issue of origin of coronavirus. Please, can we have the clip?
Today, the President asked the intelligence community to redouble their efforts to collect and analyze information that could bring us closer to a definitive conclusion and to a report back to him in 90 days. Back in early 2020, the President called for the CDC to get access to China to learn about the virus so we could fight it more effectively.
Prior to any further discussion, let us now understand the WHO report. The investigation was done only after collaboration with China, and the report has concluded: first, the direct zoonotic spillover is considered to be possible to likely pathway. Zoonotic spillover means the virus was transferred from bat to human through some another animal. Second, the introduction through laboratory incident was considered to be extremely unlikely pathway. But 14 countries doubt the report. As independent investigation is not allowed, raw data is not made accessible in public domain, and WHO's assertion of zoonotic spillover is baseless and without any proof. The subsequent arguments are from Indian Express editorial 9 June 2021, which questions WHO report and reiterates: was vaccine already prepared in China even before the pandemic broke out? Let me share with you some of the arguments which are put in the Indian Express. Dr. T. Jacob John, a virologist and an HOD of Christian Medical School, Vellore, he shared an anecdote with Indian Express of a young Chinese who was applying for a license of vaccine on 24th February 2020, just 2 months after the pandemic broke out. And for your information, the first vaccine, Pfizer, was given a license for only after about a year, which means it takes at least 1 year for the vaccine to be prepared and later applied for the license. Dr. T. Jacob John said, I quote, "There is a smoking gun evidences in molecular biology that point to the possibility that it is lab manipulated virus." Meanwhile, the focus has turned on a report by United Government's Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory, California, which conducted a study in May 2020, stating that the hypothesis of virus leak from the Wuhan laboratory was plausible and needs to be investigated thoroughly. Even the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, has reportedly detected 4 gene insertions in COVID-19. If we consider an article from a Wall Street Journal, a prominent newspaper, 3 researchers from Wuhan Institute of Virology fell sick and were hospitalized in November 2019. They were infected of COVID-19, according to the United States intelligence report. China says its first confirmed case was on 8 December 2019. We can see the mismatch between the United States intelligence report and China's confirmation. India's virologist asserts theory: China's population is 140 crore and recorded just 91,300 COVID plus cases and 4,600 and 36 deaths since December 2019. It is ranked 98 on the list of countries in the order of cases recorded. Well, it sounds Indian virologists must be unapologetically sad about the lives saved. But all the tables must be turned so that the truth is out. The Indian virologist's assertion could be neutralized on two bases. Maybe China has a good healthcare system, or maybe China has a good development infrastructure. But such arguments must not overshadow reality without research. If you consider the report of best healthcare system in the world 2021, if you consider the report of best healthcare system in the world 2021, Italy is second in position and has a population of about 6 crore people, and the total COVID death were 1.27 lakh. China has a position 144 and has a population of 140 crore, and the total COVID death were 5,154. If you consider the Human Development Index 2021 by UNDP, USA has a position of 17 and has a population of 33 crore, and the total COVID death were 5,92,610. China has a position of 85 and has a population of 140 crore, and the total COVID deaths were 5,154. The coronavirus, which killed 37.54 lakh people and led a chilling effect on the world, has no accountability or responsibility. Coronavirus has endangered the whole world. Therefore, it is the human right of every individual to know the truth, as preceding breakouts, be it Ebola or Nipah, are documented, and documentation has made us more resilient and better prepared for future breakout.